This week, I lost $63 on my credit, but I am super happy and I'm gonna show you why in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing, let's take a look. If you remember last week's video, I had my premium, I sold it at 19. Well, the price has gone over that to 19.53. So that means that I would lose my shares. And the total cost to get my shares was $2,300. So if I sold it at 19, I would have lost about $400. Okay, so I didn't want to lose those shares today at 19 or this week. So yesterday, when price moved up over 19, you see that pin bar here. As price was moving up, I sold my credit for 80 cents, or I bought it back. I bought it back for 80 cents, so I received $17. I bought it back for 80, so that means I lost $63. Now, I tried to get in a little bit cheaper so I didn't lose the full 63, but by losing the 63, I still have $163 in premium. So let's take a look. So my total credit collected is $163. And here was my loss. So if I would change this to what I was hoping to get, it would be 0.05. You can see that I would have had 238. But instead, I'm at 163. So again, I'm happy about this because now I was able to hang on to all of that credit. Had I not done so, had I allowed this to get called away, I would have lost about $300. So taking a $63 loss has enabled me to hold my my position. So I still have 100 shares of AMC, plus I can now sell again this week to get that premium. So I want to take a look at the next level. So we've broken 19. You can see we have a downward trend here. So my next level that I'm going to be looking at is 24. Now this time, since my premium price, my average price is $22, if my shares get called away, you can see my average price is $22.47 with the premium. If it gets called away, if price keeps going and it goes up above 24, well, then I will make profit and I will just allow my shares to be called away because I will be able to get $1 of profit on the shares that I'm holding, plus I'll be able to keep my premium. So let's take a look and see what we have here for premium. So the current price, if we look at $24 is 46 cents of premium, 44 cents of premium. So that's actually up over what I had last week. And if it gets called away, I make even more. So this is a win-win situation. I actually hope that price continues to go up. So I'm going to just sell this right now. And we're going to sell it at 44 and we're going to collect $44. All right, so I put the order in, and I am now trying to get this at $44, and there you have it. So now I'm going to add it to my spreadsheet. As soon as we do that, we're going to add it to the spreadsheet, 0.44, and then I'm going to hope to sell it at 0.05 again, and let's see, 0.05, and we're going to actually do the math here. We're going to do the math, which would show us if I end up, it'll be $39 in profit if I can sell it, right? Plus, hopefully the stock will go up. So not too bad. I made one loss, but you can see we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winning trades in a row, or 7 in a row, 1 loser, and then if I get another winner, it'll be 7 out of the last 8. And we'll go over to how much profit I'll be able to get from that. You can see the premium would be at 202. So no system is perfect, but it's working and I'm making some money. And if it ends up going up, I see I can change the stock price here to 19.50. So my current equity, right now at where we're at with current equity, I've only lost $8. Only lost $8. I'm only down $8. So if it goes up $4 next week, I will be able to make a good bit of profit on those shares. So everything is looking great. The strategy is working just wonderful. Now, let's look at our old pairs from last week. We got Bros. Bros was a stock that I had right here, and it's crossed below here. Let's take a look at it on a weekly. So it crossed below, so I'm actually now going to close this one here for a small loss. Close in entry order. There we go. We're going to sell it and market. We're going to place it, and we're going to sell. All right, so that was a small loser, but we still have some money now to use for something else. But let's take a look at ERF, which is another position that I've been holding. ERF is still above the line, so I'm not going to do anything with ERF. And the other one is ZIM. ZIM is absolutely crushing it. Another week up. So things are really looking good with ZIM. Not going to work on do anything with that. So Bros was a close, but I'm going to keep my eyes on Bros. BROS. I'm going to keep my eyes on Bros and see what we have for that. All right, so now let's take a look at BKR. It's Baker Hughes, and you see this is a weekly candle, and it had trouble breaking these. Break, break, break. I'm looking at a breakout right here, so I'm going to go ahead and go long here. 28.86. I'm going to buy 4 shares, so we're just going to buy 4 shares. Quantity 4 shares of Baker Hughes. And this is going to be weekly chart. As long as it's above this line, I'm going to hold it. And if it drops below, we're going to close it out. So we're going to put the order in here at a market. And we're going to buy it. And actually, no, I don't want to put a take profit and stop. So I'm going to remove that. You should have a stop loss. I will make sure I have it. I just didn't want to do it right now. But we're going to buy it. And there we go. So we got 4 shares now at BKR. So I'm still managing my ERF, my ZIM. I took a loss on BROS. I'll still watch it, and we're still doing really well on collecting revenue on AMC. And so that's it for this week. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate all of your views, and hopefully this is educational and helping you. Have a great week, everybody.